Dude, this is freaking beautiful. Look at the colors, man. Okay, this is what I love, colors. She hit it with strawberries, a little bit of lemon, hit it with some vodka, come behind with some purple ice, pink Moscato, okay? And then top it off with some lemonade. They the kind of colors I like, okay? Now, I'm only gonna make one glass because the cameraman ain't drinking. So let's do this. To get your purple ice, watch this. So you just get some purple food coloring. You don't need that, oh my goodness. That's super purple. So you just drop a couple blueberries in here. And now you come behind with your purple water. And you just let that flow in. Now we put this in the freezer, and we're good. Got my ice. Okay, homeboy. Lemons. Need a lot of lemon because this is a big, it ain't that big. You know, it's enough for one of me. Now I come behind that with my strawberries. Is it strawberries or strawberries? So we can get some vodka in here. Now I'm just gonna be eyeballing. And what this is doing is, this is fortifying our drink. It's giving us a little potency, okay? So I got my ice. Come on, get it. Oh Lord, oh Lord. But check them out, check how cute they are, okay? Such a thing as too much ice? I don't know. Now we come in with our Moscato, okay? And we using a pink Moscato, because a pink Moscato got all the right colors. Look at that, look at that. Y'all notice something, right? Man, let's go all in. This is America, okay? You only live once. Might as well be happy living it, right? Now, homeboy, you got your little lemonade, okay? Oh, damn, look at the colors. Look at the colors now. Look at the colors. See, and that lemonade is our mixer. So give them a little, mint leaves a little spike, because that releases the nice little mint aroma. Bang! And there you have it, Giggle Juice by my girl, That Cocktail Girl. Okay, that's a lot of girls in there, okay? But I love recipes by the girls, okay? Because they know what they're doing. You all dudes out there, no, I'm drinking a whiskey drink, okay? This is a real drink. Look at the colors, the array of colors, okay? Dudes don't have that kind of eyeballs, okay? This is why women are superior. Superior, okay? Yeah, I'm a feminist, so what? Anyway, let's give this a try. You know what? This tastes like Christmas is coming. Seriously, I hear Santa's sleigh bells coming right now. Rudolph, is that you? Is that you? Okay, Santa gotta be careful in America. You can't just come down people's chimney, okay? Everybody here armed, all right? That's how you question, is Santa really real? Because if he comes to America, that's his last Christmas. As always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, okay? Stay tipsy, okay? Leave Santa alone, I get it. It's not Christmas right now. It tastes like Christmas, whatever.